Though paranoid schizophrenia is the most common type of schizophrenia and the one most well known, there are 4 other subtypes classified together as non-paranoid schizophrenia. The first subtype is catatonic schizophrenia. This subtype includes episodes of behavior at extreme opposite ends of the spectrum. Catatonic episodes may last for a month or longer without treatment. Symptoms of catatonic schizophrenia include physical immobility, where a person is completely unable to move or speak. They may also stare and hold their body in a rigid position and seem to be unaware of their surroundings. They may also have a form of immobility known as waxy flexibility. For example, if their arm is moved into a certain position, it will stay in that position for hours. Another symptom is excessive mobility, where a person moves in an excited manner that has no purpose. Actions include pacing around, making loud noises, and turning in circles. A third symptom is extreme resistance, where a person does not respond to instructions or resists any attempt to be moved. The fourth symptom is peculiar movements, where a person has inappropriate or unusual postures for long periods of time. They may also mechanically repeat a behavior, such as repeating words over and over again. The last symptom is mimicking speech or movement, where a person may repeatedly say a word just spoken by someone else, called echolalia, or repeatedly copy a gesture or movement made by someone else, called echopraxia. The second subtype of non-paranoid schizophrenia is disorganized schizophrenia. This subtype is marked by thoughts, speech, and behavior that are inappropriate and don't make sense. Symptoms of this subtype include disorganized thinking. Disorganized thinking causes illogical, nonsensical thought patterns. A person with disorganized thinking will always jump from one unrelated idea to another when they talk. The second symptom is disorganized or nonsensical behavior. The disorganized behavior, which is very common to this type of schizophrenia, can cause severe problems in a person's ability to perform daily routines, such as bathing or dressing. They may also simply act unusually at inappropriate times. The last symptom is inappropriate emotional expression. It is very common for an affected person to display emotions that are inappropriate for the situation, such as laughing during a serious or sad event. The third subtype is undifferentiated subtype. This subtype is diagnosed when people have symptoms of schizophrenia, but they are not sufficiently formed or specific enough to be classified into one of the other subtypes. The last subtype of non-paranoid schizophrenia is the residual subtype. This subtype is diagnosed when the patient no longer displays prominent symptoms. In such cases, the schizophrenic symptoms are less severe. Though the common schizophrenic behaviors may still be present, they are much less significant. Schizophrenia has various causes. A major one is genetics. Schizophrenia runs in families, so a person often has schizophrenia because he or she has inherited it from a parent. Another cause is brain chemistry and structure. Neurotransmitters play a big role in the presence and severity of schizophrenia. Another cause is environmental factors. Abuse, early traumatic events, and severe stress are all contributing factors to schizophrenia. Environmental influences also include complications during the mother's pregnancy, such as malnutrition or stress.